Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to preserve TikTok marketing campaigns. So I just tap on my TikTok account and officially logged in, and here are some tips for preserving TikTok marketing campaign. So number one is define your target audience. Second, set a budget and schedule on your campaign and set a bidding strategy. And third is use hashtags. So hashtags helps the platform organize and distribute content to the right viewer. Number four is creating engaging content. So create content that your audience will finding engaging. Number five is understand your audience, win over the first view, engage followers, and then build from there. Number six is use TikTok for business. This platform helps brand grow their audience and maximum their ROI. And last is monitor your analytics and keep an eye on your TikTok analytics. That's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.